Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been in a hospital, you know that nurses are the absolute backbone of healthcare. They're everywhere, doing everything, from taking your vitals to offering a comforting word when you need it most. But what if I told you that their jobs are about to get a major upgrade thanks to artificial intelligence? Now, before you picture a robot replacing your favorite nurse, let's get one thing straight. AI isn't here to take over, it's here to help. Think of it less as a replacement and more as a super smart assistant, a co pilot for every nurse on the floor. The goal isn't to remove the human touch, but to free up nurses to provide even more of it. So, how will this actually work? Let's start with the administrative stuff, the mountain of paperwork that can sometimes bury nurses. Imagine an AI system that automatically transcribes doctors' notes, updates patient charts in real time, and manages scheduling. Instead of spending hours typing and clicking, nurses can spend that time where it truly matters, with their patients. This means more time for conversation, for education, and for providing that essential emotional support that no algorithm can replicate. Next up, let's talk about patient monitoring. Currently, nurses have to constantly check vital signs. But what if an AI could do that continuously and intelligently? We're talking about smart sensors that monitor heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen levels 24/7. The AI wouldn't just collect this data. It would analyze it for subtle patterns. It could predict a potential crisis, like a sudden drop in blood pressure, minutes or even hours before it becomes critical. The system would then alert the nurse, who can intervene immediately. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about being proactive and saving lives. Don't forget you are watching at Health is Wealth for Eva. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Let's continue. AI can also be a powerful diagnostic tool. Picture this: a nurse is examining a rash. They could use a device to take a picture, and an AI trained on millions of dermatological images could instantly suggest potential diagnoses. Or, when listening to a patient's breathing, an AI could analyze the sound waves to detect early signs of pneumonia. This doesn't replace the doctor's diagnosis, but it gives the nurse crucial, data backed information to share with the medical team, speeding up the entire diagnostic process. It's like having a massive medical encyclopedia in their pocket, ready to offer insights in seconds. And what about patient education? This is a huge part of a nurse's job. After a diagnosis, patients and their families have so many questions. An AI-powered app or chatbot could provide personalized, easy to understand information about their condition, medication schedule, and recovery plan. It could answer common questions anytime, day or night, reinforcing what the nurse has already explained. This empowers patients to take a more active role in their own health and frees up the nurse to focus on more complex person-to-person teaching moments. So, what does the future nurse look like in this AI-enhanced world? They are less of a data entry clerk and more of a clinical leader and patient advocate. They're tech savvy, using AI tools to make smarter, faster decisions. They have more time to focus on complex critical thinking, on coordinating care between different specialists, and most importantly, on providing compassionate, holistic care. The core of nursing, the empathy, the critical thinking, and the human connection will become even more central to the role. AI is not a threat to nursing. It's the next step in its evolution. It's about augmenting human skills, not replacing them. By handling the repetitive, data-heavy tasks, AI will empower nurses to work at the very top of their abilities, making healthcare safer, more efficient, and more personal for everyone. The future of nursing is incredibly bright, and it's a future where technology and humanity work hand in hand. What do you think? Are you excited about the idea of an AI-assisted nurse? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how technology is shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.